This cake uses a store-bought mix. It's gluten and dairy-free, contains no refined sugar, and has a great texture that is even better the second day. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Start by adding the apple cider vinegar to the coconut milk. Combine your dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. Then add your wet ingredients, starting your mixer on low and gradually increasing to high speed, stopping once or twice to scrape the bowl and beaters. Meanwhile, bring a small pot of water to a boil and add 1 cup to the batter. And beat again, starting on low and gradually increasing to high speed. Spray 1 9x13-inch pan or 2 9-inch pans with baking spray. Bake 18 to 22 minutes or until a tester comes out clean. If you're removing your cake from the pans, allow the cake to cool first for 10 to 15 minutes. Then allow the cake to cool completely before frosting it. I have 2 options for frosting. The first uses only 2 ingredients, chocolate chips and canned coconut milk. Add a cup of chocolate chips to a microwavable bowl. I like to add a little coconut oil when I melt chocolate. Then melt it in the microwave at a low to medium power. Then add your coconut milk. Mix well. And refrigerate overnight. You will need to refrigerate your cake if you use this frosting. The other option for frosting is a buttercream frosting. Use a stick of butter or non-dairy plant butter substitute. Add about 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, a half teaspoon salt, and a tablespoon or 2 of milk. I'm using oat milk. Stop scraping down the sides and bottom of your bowl as well as the beater, and then continue mixing and adding powdered sugar and repeat. If you want chocolate buttercream, add a half a cup of cocoa. See the description below for the frosting ingredients and specific amounts. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out Crock-Pot Paleo Chocolate Chip Cookies for another great recipe with no gluten, dairy, or refined sugar.